So, how was your overall experience with MIMSA?
The experience with MIMSA was fantastic. It was really
What
good.
is the best part of our services that you liked?
Uh, on this question, I would like to say that there are two things that I really liked about your service. The first thing is that the consultant, those who are going to help you while making your application.
Is what would you like to tell those who are very skeptical about taking up our services?
See, I would highly recommend you to take MIMSA.
Hi Karthikeya, thank you so much for taking out the time for this review. Congrats on your admits into FSFM, and I'm thrilled to know about your journey with us so far. Before we come on to the review, let's start off with a small introduction about your profile.
So hi Vanessa, myself Karthike, and I got an admit into FSFM. So
Okay.
currently, I am working as a software engineer in Wipro Technologies, and I have been associated with the company for the past 1.5 years now.
Okay.
And I did my BTech from Thapa University, Patiala. And if I tell you about my weaknesses and strengths, so I have a very average academics, and I have not given any GRE or GMAT exam. So I got an admit without those exams. And if I
Okay.
talk about my strengths, about my profile, so I have a strong social work, and I also have some strong extracurricular activities. So I believe that those points were really they were highlighted good in my application. So that is why I was able to made into FSFM.
Okay, lovely. That's great. So, given the fact that you didn't give your GMAT or your GRE, how was the FSFM entrance test? I believe you must have given the entrance test for the. For
Yes, yes.
how is
Uh,
it? Is it clear or how would you rate it?
I would say that it was not as difficult as GRE or a GMAT, but it was not a very easy exam, but you can manage it. So it was,
Oh,
you can say, somewhere between medium range only. Yeah, it was not
oh,
that difficult, neither that
all
easy.
right. Okay, great. Coming on to the review now. So, how was your overall experience with MIMSA?
The experience with MIMSA was fantastic. It was really good because when I made my mind that I have to go for an MIM, so I was
Mhm.
pretty confused to like which services should I take or what consultancy I would choose. So I have my friends who are already into top-notch schools like ESSEC, HEC, and LBS. So
Okay.
they recommended me that you should go with MIMSA. So
Okay.
that's why I choose MIMSA. And when I was going through the application process and all, so I came to know that these schools require you to write a lot of essays. Then you have your LORs. Then you also have your scholarship essays, your uh, resumes, and all. So it was not easy for me to manage it along with my job. So I wanted help from the people like you. So I believe that it was a very right choice that I made by choosing MIMSA.
Okay. All right. Great. And how do you think that we added value to your application?
So, like I already told you that I have not given any exam like GMAT or GRE, and I had a very average score. So, in spite of those weaknesses, my strengths were highlighted in such a way in my profile that I believe that it made my profile look good, and it made me stand out of the crowd. So
Right.
that is how they added value to my application, I believe.
Okay.
Yes.
That's great. And out of every service that we offer, what is the best part of our services that you liked?
Uh, on this question, I would like to say that there are two things that I really liked about your service. The first thing is that the consultant, those who are going to help you while making your application. So those people are already either they are pursuing their MIM or they are already the alumni of the top-notch school like ESSEC, HEC, ESCP, or LBS. So I believe that those are the correct people who are already well equipped with the knowledge, and they are aware about the requirements that those schools want in their upcoming candidates and all. So I believe that those are the correct people who can help you to build up your application. The second thing that I really like about your service was your portal. Your portal is a complete package, I must say. I never went to a third website because there
Yeah.
was no need to go to any other third website because everything is there inside that portal only. You have your mock interviews, you have your sample essays, then you have your sample LORs, and everything is there in that portal. So I believe that these two are the best things about your services.
All right, lovely. I'm so glad we could help you and help you back that admit from FSFM, right? The last question to you would be is what would you like to tell those who are very skeptical about taking up our services?
See, I would highly recommend you to take MIMSA because if a candidate like me who is having, you can say, somewhere like not a very strong profile, but not a very weak profile too, but like you have your own strengths, you have your own weaknesses. So I believe that MIMSA is a right platform that will help you out to build your application in such a way that it will really get you into your dream schools. And
Okay.
I just applied to 3 schools only. I never applied to like 8 to 10 colleges or schools because I see people, they apply to like 8 to 10 to 12 schools and they are just wasting their time and money. So I believe that just work with few schools, but
Mhm.
build your application in such a way that you are sure that you are going to get in admit in all of them. So I believe that MIMSA will really help you out. So I strongly recommend MIMSA services to all the people who are looking for an admit.
All right. Okay, great. Thank you so much, Kartikeya, for your kind words. And again, once again, thank you so much for taking out the time for this review. I wish you all the luck for your future endeavors and your time at FSFM as well.
Thank you so much.